Let's make some nice peppermint lip balm. Easy peasy. Full guide. Here we go. Let's gather our equipment, chopping board, utensils, big knife, Pyrex dishes for your liquid oils, stainless steel bowls for weighing, scales, a stainless steel pan using the double boiler method, receptacles. I'm using these cardboard tubes with a wax liner that you push from the bottom. Use any receptacle you want though. I've got them banded together so when I pour the hot wax mixture, they don't fall over. First ingredient, white beeswax, creates a natural barrier, locks in moisture, gives the balm its smooth, protective texture. White is better than yellow, as white is more refined. Shea Butter, packed with vitamins A and E, deeply moisturising, protects lips from dryness and cracking. Get it chopped up, get it weighed. Now I've got my big stainless steel bowl on the scales. Next, cocoa butter. Adds a creamy richness and helps repair damaged lip skin, keeping your lips soft and healthy. Get it chopped up, all crumbly and stuff. I'm not making loads, I'm using the same bowl to weigh that. Sweet almond oil. It's lightweight oil, softens and hydrates lips, helping them stay smooth and supple. I'm pouring down that utensil there so it doesn't dribble down the 5 kg tub. Vitamin E, a natural antioxidant. Peppermint gives a nice refreshing tingle, a nice cooling scent, revitalizing lip balm. I've mixed it in there with my vitamin E, that will soon combine. Let's set up the double boiler then. Boiling water in the stainless steel pan. And then first ingredient to be melted is the white beeswax. I'm using the white beeswax first because it takes the longest to melt. You can get away with throwing it all in together, but if you want to be professional at your lip balm making, do it this way. I've got the speed up there at ×8. Next, in with the solid oils, cocoa butter, shea butter. Get it in there with the melted beeswax. That will soon melt. I've got it on ×8 once again. Make this a nice succinct little tutorial. Get your stirring utensil in there, get those big nugs melted down. Next, in goes the liquid oil. You'll see there that the melted solid oils have re-solidified. Nothing that a good stir won't do on low heat. Next, in the vitamin E and the scent, the essential oil, I'll have a little stir. Get it all nice and combined, any little nugs remain in. Okay, I'm putting my hot mixture now into one of them Pyrex with a lip on it. The lip's very important if you want to be accurate in your pouring, like that, look. So the first pour, I'm not going all the way on some of these because you'll see why in a minute. Just leave a little bit to be topped up later and don't use all your mixture straight away. All will become clear. If you plan to make 10 and you think, I'm running out here, do 9 and wait. Something very mysterious happens with these lip balm tubes when they're left to cool. We're looking good. The whole room smells like peppermint. So into the fridge for about 20 minutes or so. After 20 minutes or so, these holes have appeared, which I can't have. So I've kept a little bit in my Pyrex and I'm just topping them up. Not so much, a few drops, smooth off the tops. I can't be having holy lip balm. And just topping them up nicely. But the whole time it was in the fridge, I kept the Pyrex with the lip balm mixture on just in the water. No heat on, just in the water, just to keep it nice and loose. There we go, looking good now. There's the finished product. I've wiped it round. Run a knife over it a little bit if it's too filled. It's not a problem. You just run a knife and level that off. I'm not going to oversell, but here's my stuff. Here's my products. If you want to help me out, you want to buy some stuff. I've got great beard products there. I've got soap. Of course, I've got lip balm. Fullsetproducts.com. Check it out. Check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.